Now it's time to invite the dignitaries onto the dais.
It has been a privilege for EMRC to organize this workshop at Osmania University under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Dynamic Vice Chancellor Professor Kumar Molugaram Garu, and with the unwavering support of Professor Jagat Bhushan Nadda sir. I would also like to express my sincere thanks to our Registrar Professor Naresh Reddy sir and OSD Professor Nayak sir, and also Dean Development UGC Affairs Professor Lavanya ma'am for their constant guidance in making this event a success. Over the past 2 days, we have delved into the latest technological advancements in online education. The rapid transformation in the digital age demands that educators continuously upgrade their skills and embrace emerging technologies. It is no longer a choice but necessity for each and every faculty member. This workshop was designed to equip teachers with the tools and strategies needed to create engaging, effective, and impactful digital learning experiences. MOOCs have revolutionized education, breaking geographical barriers and making quality learning accessible to millions. The Swayam initiative by Ministry of Education, Government of India, has been a game changer in this regard. However, to fully harness the power of MOOCs, massive open online courses, we must innovate, adapt, and refine our methodologies. I hope this workshop has provided a unique platform for educators to explore the latest trends, challenges, and solutions in digital education through insightful sessions led by distinguished experts. As we conclude this workshop, I urge all the participants to take forward the knowledge gained here and implement it in their teaching practices. Digital education is the future, and as educators, we bear the responsibility of shaping that future. Let us remain committed to enhancing the quality of online learning, ensuring inclusivity, and making education more accessible to learners across the country, even across the globe. Before I conclude, I would like to once again express my deepest appreciation to all the speakers, organizers, and participants for their valuable contributions. Your active engagement has made this workshop truly enriching. Last but not least, I sincerely appreciate my dedicated team at EMRC for rising the occasion and ensuring the success of this workshop on such short notice. Within a week, our people relentless work, this success was happened. I hope this is just the beginning of continuous journey towards mastering digital education. Let us collaborate, innovate, and lead the way in transforming the learning landscape. Thank you one and all.
I have been interacting with you for the last 2 days, time and again during sessions and during the inaugural function. I congratulate you that at this last function also you are here. that itself says that probably we had a meaningful business for the last 2 days. The country looks forward to you. As I said, that the education is a very important aspect of the government. The government wants education to reach the farthest, the poorest, so that they must get an opportunity. We were yesterday discussing that second line reached moon, not only the top institutions. So where the quality is going to blossom, one just doesn't know. And we need to give this opportunity, and this opportunity can only come through digital education and not from physical education which is available. We are not here to compare between the physical education and digital education. Both have got their plus minuses. But I'm happy that you have shown interest in this kind of program. We will look forward to do similar kind of programs along with EMRCs. And you've got a dynamic Vice Chancellor now, and who's very enthusiastic about academic improvement, and digital education is going to play a very important role for assessing the universities also. So be a pride and bring pride to the university and the surroundings and the institution that you have working. And I congratulate you all. I also, express my deepest thanks for the faculty. These are tested people. It is not the first time that I'm meeting them. These are the people who have been coming to various programs across India for the similar kind of programs. So all the best, and we have noted down what are the suggestions that have come forward. We'll see, we'll keep that in mind. People do not take it very seriously in the first time. Probably now we understand it, here the program has happened and you have made suggestions. That means we also understand that you're serious and we go a step forward for these kinds of programs. We are happy. I thank you all and congratulate that you have been here.
I congratulate the EMRC for conducting such a wonderful and useful program for the sake of all the stakeholders of this state as well as the country. So the chosen topic is the state of the art, and at the same time it fulfills the present needs. So as many participants very clearly mentioned, especially one madam, age point of view. So no doubt madam, after hearing from you, it is very difficult to estimate your age also because the way in which you very confidently expressed your all this learning enthusiasm in a very decent manner. So age is not the factor for learning. So as a teacher, we are all lifelong learners, right? And we have to adapt our learning practices according to the changed environment ecosystem time to time. And trend is definitely going to change in the coming days. We have to prepare for that, right? So no doubt this particular workshop, whatever designed by the EMRC, I really appreciate. And the seriousness of the participants, I can read all you are listening very seriously. Nobody is laughing, smiling, very seriously you are listening content. That I can understand your seriousness, as Raghu just now said. So the 2 days totally fully, right, outside 3-4 persons waiting, and all Telangana, many from Andhra Pradesh, and other than these 2 states also 6 to 10 participants from other states. Really I appreciate all the participants for showing such a wonderful interest to learn something, right? As a teacher, lifelong you have to learn, right? And lifelong learning is the best practice in the teacher life. So when you learn, obviously you are updating your knowledge, you are on par with the rest of the world. So otherwise outdated. So ultimately the unsolved problems of the society to be solved by using the technology. That is one challenge, and reaching to the non-reachable areas, that is another challenge still. And one thing I appreciate, irrespective of the education level, literacy, we always talk about the educated person is having good intelligence. It's not like that. Educated, uneducated, the intelligence levels will be equal as far as this thing is concerned. As far as our course is concerned, I really appreciate. And you have to again participate in this MOOCs program for preparation of the courses, right? And finally, whatever you learn here, you have to again disseminate at your institutions, ultimately reaching these technologies to the non-reachable areas and all areas. All ultimate our stakeholders should get a lot of benefit out of it, right? So with this, I once again thank Professor Nattaji for giving continuous support to our EMRC. And of course Raghu really pursues like anything. So because of his persuasion, this hall almost full. So special appreciation to Director Raghu. And in coming days also, the university side, we are ready to float such a wonderful and different kinds of programs in coming days. At least once in every 3 months, such kind of programs we are ready to float, right? Of course, the MOOCs, this recording process also, they established interested faculty, you please associate with him, and as many as programs we have to make for the sake of our stakeholders. So with this, I once again congratulate all the participants for active participation irrespective of the age. Coming days are digital, and don't forget digital. We have to prepare for that. Preparedness is definitely gives a better results, right? So with this, once again, hearty congratulations to EMRC and EMRC staff. So it's a teamwork. I really appreciate team building and teamwork. Definitely it gives immense kind of outcome, right? So thank you very much.
We would like to extend our sincere gratitude to our President of the function, Professor J.B. Nadda sir, Director CEC New Delhi, for his inspiring words of encouragement. His visionary guidance has been a constant source of motivation, and we appreciate his kindness, interest, and ongoing support. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our beloved and dynamic Vice Chancellor, Professor Kumar Mulligaram sir. Thanks to Chief Guest Professor Balakrishna Reddy, Chairman, Telangana Council of Higher Education, who despite his busy schedule has found time to grace this occasion. Thanks to our well-wishers, Guest of Honor, Professor G. Naresh Reddy, Registrar, OU, for his stewardship and unstinted support. Thanks to Professor S. Jitendra Kumar Nayak, OSD to VC. Thanks to Professor Lavanya Dean, Development and UGC Affairs. Thanks to Dr. Shatuda, Research Scientist at CEC, for his invaluable guidance and support, which has been instrumental in the success of our two-day national workshop. We express our sincere gratitude to the distinguished speakers and experts who generously shared their wisdom, experiences, and innovative ideas. We express our heartfelt thanks to Professor Patrick for hosting the inaugural and valedictory function. We thank all the distinguished participants or faculty present for this two-day national workshop. We thank all the outsourcing team who worked behind the screen. Our special thanks to the Director PGRRCD, Professor G.B. Reddy sir. We thank the logistical support providers, LED screen, flyer decoration and banners, and graphic designer, photographer and system operators, etc. all thank you. I also thank the caterers who have provided us tasty food, snacks and tea. Last but not the least, behind the scenes, a dedicated team has worked tirelessly to ensure smooth sailing of this event. That is the EMRC staff under the leadership of our Director P. Raghupati sir.